Hello everyone, welcome to Parallel Physics KV. Let's start with the 8th chapter of 11th Physics NCERT, that is gravitation. We will start with Newton's law of gravitation. Newton's law of gravitation क्या कहता है? It states that the force of attraction between any two bodies of the universe is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. यूनिवर्स में कोई भी दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं जिनके मासेस हैं m1 और m2. लेट अस सपोज उन दोनों मासेस के बीच में डिस्टेंस है r. देन न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन बोलता है कि इन दोनों के बीच में एक फोर्स लगेगी एंड द फोर्स विल बी डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर मासेस and this force will be inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. If we combine these two proportionalities, I'll get F is proportional to m1 m2 upon r square. And if we want to remove this proportionality, we'll have to introduce a proportionality constant. So we can write F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. Here G is known as universal gravitation constant and its value is given by 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Now there is one point to be noted here. Unlike Coulomb's law of electrostatics, this G does not depend upon the intervening medium between the two masses. ये जो ग्रेविटेशन कांस्टेंट होता है ये कांस्टेंट वैल्यू होती है. इट डज नॉट डिपेंड कि इन दोनों मासेस के बीच में मीडियम कौन सा है. नाउ लेट्स टेक अप द वेक्टर फॉर्म ऑफ न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन. लेट मी नेम दिस एज द फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट एंड दिस एज द सेकंड ऑब्जेक्ट. Their masses are m1 and m2 respectively and the distance between them is r. Let us assume a unit vector in this direction is r12 cap, where 12 denotes the direction of this vector, that is from mass m1 to mass m2. इसी तरीके से a unit vector in this direction will be denoted by r21. Now gravitational force is always attractive force. इसका मतलब m1 mass will experience a force in this direction, that is towards m2, and I will denote it with force on 1 due to F12 vector. इसी तरीके से जो m2 मास पे फोर्स लग रही है that will be in this direction, it will be attractive force और मैं उसको डिनोट करूंगी F21 वेक्टर से, which means force on mass m2 due to mass m1. तो वेक्टर फॉर्म में I can write F12 वेक्टर is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. ये तो मैग्नीट्यूड है and direction is r12 cap. इसी तरीके से F21 vector will be given by G m1 m2 upon r square in the direction r21 cap. Now r21 cap और r12 cap unit vector है, सेम मैग्नीट्यूड है बट ऑपोजिट इन डायरेक्शन. सो r21 cap को मैं लिख सकती हूँ इट्स इक्वल टू माइनस r12 cap. It means from these two relations I can write F21 vector is equal to minus of F12 vector. This simply means that Newton's third law is obeyed. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.